Want to grow your business on Instagram? Here are 4 tips that every entrepreneur should know. Instagram can be a boon to anyone wanting to promote their business. An entrepreneur can easily target the audience with the use of this image and video sharing social networking service. With a massive user base, Instagram can be a profitable platform for marketing activities for anyone wanting to kick off their businesses. On the app, you can use images and videos that are appealing that have the potential to lure customers. Putting Instagram into use, a businessman can always help position the brand and increase its credibility online. The app has all those features to bring out the best show of your products as compared to other social media channels. You can click and share the picture of your product, you can make reels of them, and you can also make videos for better effect and result. If you are looking for some Instagram marketing tips for entrepreneurs, we've got you covered here. Here are 4 Instagram marketing tips for entrepreneurs. Make your hashtag game strong. Be aware as to which hashtags are trending on Instagram. Use a variation of hashtags and geotags that are popular with users. If you use the hashtags that are popular with the audience, chances are that your products may hit the ranking and would be at the top, thus helping it reach the maximum number of people. Have a catchy and crisp bio with a link where you want to direct your audience. Having a catchy bio can help the users land on a page you want them to. You will be able to tap the right set of audiences if you mention the details of your products and give a gist of it in the Instagram bio. Use quotes from experts. While you post on Instagram, one trick that you can use is to use quotes in your posts from experts and famous personalities from the business that you are in. That way, chances of your post appearing in the trends are more likely. You can also use a watermark on the images with your logo. Posts, reels, and videos with quotes by famous personalities have a high interaction rate on Instagram. Use Instagram Live. One thing you should keep in mind is interaction with the customers. You can use the Instagram Live option to give tips, talk about your products to people, and take their feedback. Using the Instagram Live option, you can take your customers along with you wherever you go, to any events and conferences. This will give you an edge over others when you find new ways to go live and engage with your audience.